Assalamualaikum, I'm Sana and today I'm gonna tell you about the scenario manager. First, what is the scenario manager? Scenario manager is a what if analysis tool and available in Excel that works on the different scenarios. It uses a group of range that impacts an individual output, and it is scenario manager is located on the data tab in what if analysis tool in here. What if an analysis predicted the type of output you will get based on the variety of input and allow you to enter those inputs? And say our the let's in, let's take an example. We are going to eat the lunch every work days, right? And those based on those the factors, let's say our the monthly cost will be the 198. We have to decide further or not we want to bring the lunch or the and bring the lunch which would cost $6 the per day or the buy the lunch which would cost $12 the per day, and maybe the chance of eating out that will be the will that we will buy as the 50% of that of the time. What we will do is the multiply the chance that we will the eat out by the cost of doing so, and at the chance we won't eat out by the one minus half of that amount, and then multiply the cost of bringing the lunch to the chance by the chance that we will do so, and it will comes out the 180 sorry $98 a month. Let's say we have the 10% chance of eating out. That in that case, our the monthly lunch expense would be the $145. Scenario managers, on the other hand, give us the option to create a neat create a table that neatly arrange them all into the one view rather than having to type out the various scenarios. And here I have created the different scenarios for I have created the three scenarios that are the eat out low, eat out medium, and eat out high. In eat out low, I have our the chance of eating out is chance of eating out are the 10%. Here 0.1. And in the eating out medium, our chance of eating out is the 50%, and the high, I have to put the chance of eating out to that is 90%. That is the 90%. If I click on the scenario and then click the show, it will show the monthly cost of our the expense if our the chance of eating out is the 50%. In that scenario it will show is the monthly cost, what would it be. And if I click on the third scenario, that is the eating out high, and then click on the show, it will shows the monthly expense, what it would be, that is the $250. And I was talking about that was scenario managers creates a table. If I go here on the summary, click on summary, it will shows it will create a table. Click on it. Okay, now it has the shows scenario summary. In here the changing cells, that are the B2, C2 and D2, and the result cell, that is the B4. that was here before monthly cost, right? In the D2 or our eat out salad, it's a changing, and our the result is also changing. That is the first. In the third scenario, um, it is the showing here. It is the showing the current value. That is the 250 dollars, and the eat out scenario, that is the 145, and eat out medium 180. Sorry, 98, and at the end, that is the eat out high, is the $250. So this is the how the scenario managers help you to create a different scenarios, and help you to judge further um, how what will the result would be.